With just a few clicks, you can create AI song covers, isolate vocals, and generate sound effects like this.
Who's wrong? It's not about who's weaker.
And the instrumental.
All for free with PopPop AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring PopPop AI, a 100% free online suite of AI audio tools that's revolutionizing content creation. This video is split into timestamps, so skip ahead if you're here for something specific. What is PopPop AI? PopPop AI is a no-cost platform offering AI-powered audio tools for creators, musicians, and storytellers. It simplifies tasks like vocal isolation, sound effect generation, and even AI song covers, all without requiring technical expertise. What is PopPop AI doing? PopPop AI focuses on democratizing audio editing, vocal remover, isolator, split vocals from instrumentals in seconds for remixes or karaoke. AI sound effect generator, turn text prompts into realistic sounds, e.g. rain, glass breaking, piano melody. AI song covers, upload a song, choose a voice like SpongeBob or Taylor Swift, and generate a cover. Voice changer, modify your voice using preset, robot, anime, celebrity inspired. Price, totally free, no subscriptions, credit cards, or hidden fees. PopPop AI offers unlimited access to all tools, making it ideal for casual creators and professionals alike. Tutorial. Let's create a sound effect in under a minute. Visit poppop.ai, click AI sound effect generator. Type play prompt, e.g. fireworks exploding. Generate and preview, download the .wav file. Bonus. Use the vocal remover to isolate vocals from a YouTube URL for karaoke.